Would you like to make money like this? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You guys asked me what is the easy way to make money online, and today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to make money online, and that is by making videos. And you can make 20, 30, 40, 50 dollars per video. And today I'm going to show you how to make those videos and where to find people who will pay you to make those videos. And plus I will give you bonus strategy on how to find clients who will pay you to make them those videos. So make sure to watch the entire video. But before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump on my computer and we are going to start. This video can make you $20. This video can make you $30. This video can make you $40. This video can make you $50. People are willing to pay for these videos because videos convert better than images, especially on Instagram and Facebook ads. And that is why, like I said, people are willing to give you $40, $50, even more for these videos. But where do you actually create these videos? First you need to go on a website called Render Forest, and here you can create those videos in under 5 minutes, even if you are absolute beginner. And obviously first thing you need to do is you need to register. Just go here and click on sign in, and then click here on sign up. And you can register with your Facebook or with your Gmail, but I always recommend to register with your email. So add your name, your email, your password, confirm your password, click sign up and confirm your email. After you confirm your email, you will need to create a video. Simply click here on create video, and here you can see all the available templates. But we wish to make video for Instagram, so here in search bar I will just type Instagram. And here you can see all the available Instagram templates. As you can see, Instagram profile promotions, Instagram story pack, quick presentation opener, and so on and so on. So let's just click on, and I will click on Instagram stories pack. Click on create now. So we just load the present for this example. And now we can choose the animation that we want. I will just take this second one, for example. And you can edit all of these slides. Let's say this one, for example. You can edit this image, you can change it if you want, just click on it. You can crop it, upload your image, upload your own image, upload from media library, URL, stock images, you can remove it. You can edit this text, just click on it and type something, whatever you want. And click save and close, for example, and you can edit all of these slides. And if you wish to add another slide, you can just click on this plus, or you can just click on this trash can to remove the slide. After you finish, you can go on style, and here you can choose different styles. Here you can add the music, and all of this music is labeled free, so you won't be banned from Instagram if you use this music, because like I said, it's a copyright free music. And here you can choose genre, and here you can choose the specific song. You can play it here to hear it before you add it, and to add the song just click here on this plus. After you finish, just click here on preview. So I will click on free preview for this example because I don't want to pay for this. And my video is now rendering, and this can take 5, 10, maybe even 15 minutes. So you will actually have to wait for this. Let me just play you this video just to see how this looks. And as you can see, there is a Render Forest watermark here, and that is because I have a free version and you cannot send it to your client. And their plans start from just $9 per month. And for just $20 per month, you can get 20 high-definition videos that you can send to your clients. But where do you find people who will pay you to make them these videos? You can offer this service on Fiverr. When you go on Fiverr and hover over video and animation and click on short video ads, you will see that people are charging 13 euros, 61 euros, 35 euros, 154 euros, 22 euros, 216 euros, and they are getting 45 reviews, 18, more than 1,000 reviews, 160 reviews, which means there is a big demand for these kind of videos. But competition on Fiverr is big. But competition on Quick and Gigs is not that big. And when you click on video and animation, you will see that people are charging $290, $27, $25, $45, $5, $30, and they are making sales. So this is an easy way to make money online even if you are a beginner. This is the bonus tip that I promised you in the intro, and this is exactly how I found the client who paid me $25 to make him a video. You need to go on Instagram and you need to create a page just like these guys did. And as you can see, they uploaded sample videos on their page, and that is exactly what you need to do. After you create your page and upload videos, you need to go here on search bar and start searching for pages. Let's say in dog niche. And I will click on this page, for example, and you need to go through this page to see if they're running any paid ads or paid posts. As you can see, this is a paid post. So what I need to do, I need to click on this post. And usually they tag people who paid for this post, just like this. And I need to visit their page. And now I need to contact this person here and tell them that I can make a better video for them and that they can visit my Instagram page to see sample videos. And yes, you will have to send 20, 30, 40 messages before you land a client, but trust me, you will land a client and you can charge 20, 30, 40 dollars for these kind of videos and you will definitely make money. So like I said, this is an easy way to make money online even if you are a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.